Hello guys, and today I am going to teach you how to do the tiger fling glitch or the wooden animal glitch. This will not work on the giant duck or the giant bear. It will only work on the giant frog and the giant tiger, but says it anyways. First, you have to get a wooden animal, except for the bear or the duck. I broke the duck and the frog, but I'm just gonna use the duck to show you how to do it. And then you're going to go up like that while you're going to like throw that up. But then it will just launch you or it into the sky. So like it's like a duck galaxy fling or whatever you call it, but scrape it up. It doesn't really work with the duck, but it does work some other wooden animals. And I can't find the frog or the duck. I can't find tiger or the frog because I flung it too far and now it just went into the ocean. But that's how you do it. I don't know how to do it either because I just discovered it. I did it on accident and then it just flung out the map. But yeah, that's how to do it. I'm going to try it on another house. Like, grab this. For example, this is a frog or the tiger, the giant ones. And then, once you're like scraping it against the wall or the house barrier, it will like launch you out there. Oh my god. And that's how to do it. I don't know where the other things are, and I think this works on other heavy items like the hand or the basketball court or oh my god. I got attacked. I hate these kind of people. I want to like attack them back, but they just run. Like, what's their problem? Do they even have a life? And then just like there. Then kind of like go there. Scrape this up the wall. And then just boom. See? And it kind of and don't let it hit you or it will fling you back. It does work on the cord, but on like other things it don't. See? It kind of like launches it. It's like a galaxy fling. And and when it just like pulls back and hits you, it will just, I don't know, send you to the ocean. But yeah, that's how it works, and that's what it looks like. And I think it also works on like this. I just discovered it, and then I think it does. It it works on heavy items. For example, the cord. Oh my god, it does. Okay, I think this. See, and I think this works on every item. And if someone already discovered this, I did not steal your glitch. I just like found it because I accidentally did it. And look, I think it also works on the hand. Is it heavy? I think this will work on the hand. So like, pull this up. It doesn't work on the hand, but yeah, it kind of works on the shelf, the wooden animals. Oh wait, I accidentally called the shelf, but it works on the jars wooden animals on the basketball court, whatever. And it's actually pretty easy to do with the court because you just have to tilt it. You just have to tilt it like that. Ride it. Use this part to kind of like scrape it upwards. And then, oh, I gotta be careful or I'll launch back to space. Yeah. I mean, if you're not careful, it might be hard, but for me it's kinda easy because I already know. See, like that. Sometimes it won't launch very far, but yeah, that's how I do it. And one last time, I'm going to show you before I end this 6-minute video. So like, push it there, push it up, and then when you, oh, it won't go up. It's kinda stuck. But yeah, you saw it earlier. And yeah, oh my god. I think it once it hits the corner, it will like fling very far. And I also know a anti-fling that I will do soon in another video. So stay tuned. Bye bye. Wee.